It's not New York, but Los Angeles, which appears to be making headway in its drive to become another offshore hub for the Chinese currency. On Saturday, the city's mayor came to Beijing to sign a memorandum with ICBC to build its RMB center.
Well, we see Los Angeles as the #1 American city for Chinese. Chinese visitors, Chinese investment, Chinese students, and Chinese residents. All of those categories were #1, and about half of the trade between the United States and China comes through Los Angeles. So for ICBC, one of the world's great banks, one of the biggest banks in the world, if not the biggest, it was important to make sure that we have the capital flows going in both directions.
So far, financial centers like Singapore, London or Luxembourg are competing as offshore centers for trading China's currency. ICBC, the world's largest bank by assets, hopes the MOU will boost its cross-border business and plans to build an RMB hub in the city of Los Angeles and the Sunshine State of California. It wants to offer clients more services, including trade settlement, clearing, remittances and foreign exchange.
Los Angeles City is very important, and LA is one of the top choice to be developed into RMB offshore center, because they have a huge US-China trade volume.
According to statistics, ICBC's cross-border RMB business volume came close to 1.7 trillion yuan in the first half of 2014, representing a year-on-year increase of over 7-fold. The bank already counts 13 branches across the United States. The question is, why not New York City?
There is not that big trade volume, compared to the Los Angeles.
The yuan has already overtaken the euro as the second most important currency in trade finance, accounting for almost 9% of that market last year. The city of LA, home to Hollywood and movie stars, hopes to lure more Chinese entertainment businesses, tourists, as well as real estate developers.
For example, you just mentioned the tourism. There are more and more Chinese people, visit the USA very regularly, and it's much more convenience for them to make the payments, pay any expense for their traveling, and that's very convenient for them, and also lower the cost for their, the exchange rate, process.
Certainly cultural exchange and entertainment industry. We're seeing a lot of investments there. Real estate, Los Angeles is very ripe. 2 of the 3 largest projects in our downtown are Chinese funded and Chinese developers. Third, we're looking at areas of medical and bioscience cooperation. And then fourth, green technology.
The mayor is currently on a trade mission to China, South Korea and Japan, the city's biggest trading partners, in a bid to leverage its assets in the global marketplace, developing its economic ties with Asia and create more jobs. Martina Fuchs, CCTV News, Beijing.